If we do a little quick math on our project, our opening is about 42 inches. Each shelf is 3/4 of an inch. So if we take 42 minus 3/4 minus 3/4 minus 3/4, that gives us a total opening minus the shelves of 39 3/4. If we take 39 3/4 divided by 4, that gives us an estimated opening of about 10 inches between each of these shelves. I can then measure up about 10 inches on my pilaster and work one of those clips into position. And with all 4 of those installed, I can see how my shelf looks. And with our 3 shelves installed, everything is looking really nice.